What's going on over here? Hey, there's John Michael and Mike. What they up to? What these guys doing? What's up, guys?
Purify O3 Elite are in.
Oh, awesome. Awesome. Oh, yeah. Here we go. The brand new Purify O3 Elite CPAP cleaner is here. It's available. We have them in stock. We're super excited to bring it to you. I'm Chris with AffinityHM.com. Please give us a thumbs up on this video if you like the video, and definitely subscribe to the channel. We're constantly bringing out new equipment for you. CPAP equipment, pain relief equipment, all kinds of different equipment that you can use at home. So today we're going to talk about the Purify O3 Elite. And this is one of them here. We just went ahead and took the plastic off of the box, and I want to show you everything that you get whenever you purchase a Purify O3 Elite. Now there also is another machine, it's called the Purify O3. And that particular machine is only slightly different from this one. And I'll actually show you the machine. This is the regular Purify O3, and then this one is the Purify O3 Elite. The biggest difference is between the two is that the Elite has this battery charging indicator to let you know when all the lights are lit up there. It obviously is fully charged. And then the other big difference is actually it has, as it's in use, it has a light ring that flows around through here to let you know how far along it is in the process for purifying your CPAP equipment. So the Purify O3 Elite, obviously you get the machine itself, you get a nice little adapter. Now that's going to come into play here in a little bit, you'll see. And you get a charger and a charging cable. And I will say the charger and the charging cable on this Purify O3 Elite machine is a bit higher quality also than the regular Purify O3. So that's everything you get, and then obviously you've got to have somewhere to put all of your CPAP hose, mask, water reservoir while it's being disinfected. It will all go into this bag. So let me show you exactly how that looks. Of course, you get your owner's manual. Definitely read through that. There's some really good warnings and information that you need when using this machine. Like, for example, you don't want to stay in the same room with the machine while it is actually doing its job. And so I'm going to do this example using just the ResMed AirSense 10 regular hose, and this is a Swift FX headgear right here. So first of all, the machine itself, you will not be cleaning the machine. You're only going to be cleaning the water reservoir. Many of you know there's been a recall, and some people think that it's because of the ozone. Well, we're not sending any ozone through your CPAP machine, so you definitely don't want to clean the CPAP machine. But the ozone is excellent at sanitizing all of these other parts. So what you want to do is first get all of your CPAP supplies into this black bag. So I'm going to start, this is probably the most common machine being used right now. So I'm going to start with just putting in the water reservoir. There's the lid. We got the main chamber. We got this little adapter. You know, so I like to take it all apart, and that way we can be certain that the ozone is really going to surround all of those parts really nicely. I like to connect the hose up to the CPAP mask. Now you might be using a regular CPAP mask or a full face CPAP mask. In any way that you're doing it, you definitely want to go ahead and hook it up, and you'll see why here in just a second. It actually ensures that you definitely are going to be able to get the ozone to go through the inside of the tubing. If you did not hook up the tubing, you couldn't be sure if the ozone is really going to get into the inside of the tubing. So the way I like to do this is sort of just loop it around into the bag like so. And then whenever we get to the end here in just a second, we're going to connect the Purify O3 Elite to the end of the tube. Now, it would connect, but it would be a little bit difficult, so that's why they have provided this simple little adapter right here. And now we can connect the hose on very easily to the machine. I've already got this machine charged up, and we now just place the machine itself even into the bag. Now this button on the machine is actually not a button that clicks or depresses. It simply is a button that you sort of cover up. It doesn't push down, that's what I'm trying to say. But you just cover that button up for about 4 seconds. It comes on. There's your indicator. You got a full charge, and it has begun. So the blue light actually begins to disappear as it's going through its cycle. So how long does that take? That's going to take, the actual producing of the ozone is approximately 35 minutes. And then you wait another 90 minutes afterwards, and the machine is going to beep, or you can just calculate, about 2 hours worth of time. Place it all kind of in a carport or in a different room where you're not located around any pets or anything like that. And in 2 hours, your CPAP equipment is going to be 100% sanitized and cleaned. It's going to be truly awesome. Thanks for being here with me, AffinityHM.com. We've got tons of CPAP equipment and supplies. Please thumbs up this video and definitely subscribe to the channel. Now, we've got another video for you right here.